Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kapil Home Workouts. Today we will do a upper body workout. In this workout there are three blocks. In first two blocks there are three exercises and in last block there are two exercises. So we repeat first two block three times and last block two times. In first block we target our back and obliques. So I am putting a 30-minute timer. It is not a time based workout. We will do rep based workout, but we will finish our workout within 30 minutes. So first exercise is bend over rows. We do 12 to 14 reps. Fourteen reps. Now our second exercise is reverse plank. We will do again 12 to 14 reps. For this we will use medium weight dumbbells. So we are targeting our back in these exercises. So hold your back and embrace your core. Reverse plank, guys. 12 reps. Now we will target our from by with next exercise we target our obliques. So we do a side plank, knee drive, rep based. First on one side and then other side. So we do 10 to 12 reps on each side. So I am leaning on my left side first. Now this is your side plank position, knee drives. Ten reps. Now I will lean on my another side, right side. Ten reps. So this is our block number 1. We will repeat these exercises 2 more times. Bend over rows. 12 reps. Now we do reverse slice. These rows and reverse slice also need strong core, and when we perform these exercises, our core is also targeted. So hold your core muscles tight while performing these exercises. Reverse slice. Twelve reps. Now we do again our side plank knee drives on both sides. First, I am kneeling on my left side. Now I kneel on my right side. Tender slice. So we have completed 2 rounds of first block. Now we do last round for this block. If your heart rate increases, to calm your heart rate, breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. So now bend over rows. Thirteen reps, I think. Now we do reverse slice. Again 12 reps. This is last time for today. We are doing this reverse slice exercise with medium weight dumbbells. Hold your core tight. 10 reps guys. Now we do 2 reps alternately on each side. So we have hit our target of 12 reps on each side. Now we do our plank knee drive. First on left side. Ten reps. Now on right side, I am lean on my right side. Ten reps. So we have completed first block of our exercise. Take some rest. After rest, we start our second block. Again, in this block there are 3 exercises. Now we target our shoulders. So exercises are shoulder and arms. We will targeting our shoulder and arms. And exercises are curl and Arnold press. First, second we do front raises. Then we do a core exercise. So if your breaths are heavy, calm yourself. This will be the pattern of exercise. We will hold dumbbells in this position, then we curl, then we Arnold press. Again, like this. When we goes up, we twist. Then we go down, we again twist. In reverse direction, of course. So we have to ample rest. Now we do our Again, we did 10 reps. Now we do front raises with medium weight dumbbells. Front raises. For good execution of this exercise, you need to keep your core tight. Hold your core. So front raises. Twelve reps. These are tough exercises. Now we do a core movement. We do a combined crunch movement. So both of our legs and upper body will be moving in this crunch. We are in our boat position. So this was round 1 of block 2. Now we move towards our round 2 of block 2. First exercise we do with heavy dumbbell. Second exercise we do with medium weight dumbbell, or you can say lighter one. So now we do hammer curl and push presses. In next exercise we do hammer curl and push press. Last step. This is building up, guys. I am feeling in my arms and shoulders, especially shoulders. This means we efficiently targeting our shoulders in this shoulder workout, of course. Now we do front raises with lighter dumbbells. We hold our core tight. Twelve reps. Now we do our crunches. This is last exercise of round 2. Twenty reps. Now we begin our last round of block 2. So 3 exercises, 3 rounds. Have some water if you want to. This time we do hammer curl and push press. As we need more power, so we generate power from our push to press. If hammer curls are still challenging, then you can take a swing like this. Don't forget to lock your arms in upright position. 9 reps guys, last rep. So now we are on our second exercise of round 3. These are front raises. Now we do alternate front raises with lesser rest. 10 to 12 reps on each side. Twenty-four reps total, 12 reps on each side. Now again, we do our core movement. 20 reps. This brings us to our last block of exercise, and in this block number 3 guys, there are 2 exercises and we repeat these exercises for 2 times. So first we do push-ups, then we do chest press. So this is a push movement and this target our chest. So we target 20 to 25 push-ups. While doing push-ups, you engage your core. So push-ups target also your core and you perform push-ups efficiently. To target your chest during push-ups, you move your palm inward. Your finger should be pointing inwards. Push-ups. So I have done 25 push-ups. Now I do chest press for 15 reps. After push-ups, these exercise feels tough. I will be doing 12 reps only. Oh. So now we are on to our last round, and we are left with only 80 seconds in this workout. So we do 20 to 25 push-ups and then our 10 to 12 chest presses. So push-ups guys. These back-to-back push-ups and chest presses are tough. Targeting our chest muscles very efficiently. Five more push-ups I will do. Now we have only 25 seconds. We do 10 chest presses. Five. Ten reps. As you can listen my timer is ringing. So well done guys. This was a very good workout for our upper body. We have targeted our back, shoulder, chest, and of course our core. So it is nearly a wholesome upper body workout. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.